Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create a certificate design in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First of all, open Word, W-O-R-D Word, blank document, go to layout, margins to be narrow, orientation landscape, size A4, then go to design, then page borders, then select this one. Color will be this one and width will be this one and okay. Then go to insert, shapes, take a rectangle, draw this and rotate this like this and change the color. I want to choose this, then copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then rotate it. Yes, there we go. That's it. Then go to again insert, shapes, and take a oval. This one, then go to shape fill, pictures, online pictures, search for computer logo, printer, uncheck this, select this one and insert. That's it. Then go to shape outline, no outline, then keep it a bit weird. Yes, here. Well, that's it. Make it a bit smaller. Smaller. Here we go. That's it. Then we write the name. Technical Gyan Institute. Select this. Make it larger. 48. INS Institute. Then select this and go to this option, below this one, and then go to this one and write here certificate of achievement, achievement, and the off will be of some scroll down this one, the spelling of mistake, achievement, ACHIEVEMENT, achievement. Let's change the color will be this one is good. Let's change its color to line color. Let's make it smaller and go to this one and simply write this certificate is proudly presented for honorable achievement, achievement to first of all increase its achievement to like this, to Mr. Arjun. Let's take a name, Mr. Arjun Prasad Chaudhary, and then write for successful by successfully completed diploma in computer application application Let's increase the font size, then color will be this one, and shadow outline to be this one is good. Increase, that's it. And diploma, and then diploma not good enough for diploma. Then color will be, I like it this much, and it will be bold. Then increase it, diploma, that's it, and make it a bit smaller, certificate of achievement, and it to smaller. Enter to in reference bigger is fine. Yes, this much. And after that, let's write the date here. Date, make it smaller to date, or more bigger. 16 is fine. Date 2024 0 2 0 shifting. Enter. Let's change the date format, the library, and after we will simply tap signature as I want the signature of director. This is too much large, and let's keep it smaller. Smaller. Note is small. That's it. Then here we will write some dots. That's it. And after or we will simply put a congratulation image here. So go to insert shapes, then put a rectangle, place it here, then go to say fill pictures, align pictures, then search for congratulations, right, and enter. Creative comments off, then scroll down. I found this, click on insert. This one is fine, looking fine. Yes. To remove this outline, we need to go to save format, then save outline, then no outline. So that's it, guys. This is the amazing design which we had designed it here. We will meet in the end of the session. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you, guys.